Do you feel nervous every time you approach a staircase? Build strength and confidence with these easy to follow exercises. Hey friends, my name is Yogi Aaron, and our objective is to reach as many people as possible and help you become pain-free. Many seniors start to see stairs as a hurdle. Climbing them isn't as automatic as before, and each step can be scary. If you are struggling, remember you're not the only one. Hey friends, I'm going to show you 3 great muscle activation practices to navigate stairs, but also slippery surfaces or uneven surfaces or anything like that, so that you guys can go back out and navigate these uneven surfaces. But what I'd like you to do is we're going to do a little test, kind of go up and down the stairs a couple of times so that you can just feel like what it's like in your body. You don't have to go all the way up and all the way down, but I want you just to kind of do a little test with a couple of stairs and just sort of see how it feels, and let me know how it goes in the comment section below. So let's dive into the first practice. It's really nice. It's really easy. So what you're going to do is come onto your back and then bring your knees just above your hips, all right? And then you're going to bring your hands to just the space just below your knees and then press your knees into your hands. Now, as you do that, there's a couple of things you're going to feel, but one is your core muscles engaging. So when you press your knees into your hands, see if you can feel those core muscles engaging, and then just relax and bring the feet down. And then we'll do it again. So press the knees into the hands. Very nice. And again, all we're trying to do is just to remind the brain where these muscles are, and then bring it back down. And then bring the knees back up. Bring the hands to the knees and then press the knees into the hands. Really nice. And then back down. And we'll do it a couple more times. So we're coming back up. Each time we come up, we hold it for about 6 seconds. So 6 seconds, 6 times. Press the knees into the hands. And then back down. Ooh, I'm feeling my core muscles waking up. Really great. Now, the second muscle that we want to work on is your glute. So when you're on your stomach here, what you're going to do is bend one knee. Now, I like to bring my hand of the knee that's bent, the same side, to that glute and just feel it working, and then lift the knee up. Now, some of you will not be able to lift up that far, and that's okay, and then come on back down. The more important thing is that you feel the glute activating here. So bend that knee, engage the glute, and then lift it up. And you might only lift it like half an inch or so, and that's completely fine. And then come on back down. And then bend the knee, engage the glute, and lift it up. So just feeling that glute really engage. Now, if you can lift up higher, do that. But please don't twist your body. You want to keep this pelvic bone of the side that you're lifting down into the floor. So it's really a hip extension. It's a pure hip extension and not a back bend. Then you're going to do it again. So bend the knee, lift it up. And then back down. Let's now do it on the other side. So you're going to bend the opposite knee. If you want to, bring that hand of that side to the glute, feel it working, and then just lift up the leg. And then come on back down. Roll over onto your back now. And as you're coming onto your back, bring your feet a little bit wider than hip distance apart. Bring your arms out to the sides like a T. Don't bring them down beside your waist. Bring them out to the side. And push down into the heels of the feet. Now, because your glutes are active, we're just going to lift right up into bridge. And you're going to, all that glute work that we just did should make this a lot easier right now. So lift up into bridge pose as much as you can. Squeeze the glutes and then come on back down. And then squeeze the glutes, come on back up. Push down into the heels of the feet. Maybe even lift your toes just a little bit. And then see if you can use that to get a little bit more height. And then come on down. And shake it out a little bit. And then engage the glutes. See if you can squeeze just a little bit. And then come on up. So you might even start to feel this a little bit in your lower back muscles. That's completely fine. I love the fact that you're engaging some of your lower back muscles here because they need some attention. A lot of problems with our balance comes from our back muscles not working properly. Come on down. Friends, I hope this was useful to you and that already can feel what happens when we start to get these muscles activated. What I'd like you to do is to go back to the stairs and redo that test that we did at the very beginning. Go up and down a couple of stairs. Does it feel different? And is there a difference in the way that you're moving? Do you feel stronger? Do you feel more stable? Those are the key things that I'm looking for here. Do these every day. And seriously, let me know how the retest went. Did you notice a difference? Did it feel safer? Did it feel more stable? If you like this video, please remember to click like and comment below. I really want to hear from you guys about how these videos are affecting you. And please pass this on to people that you love. So what a gift it is to give them something that would help them get out of pain. Namaste, my friends. There's the bell. It's time to go and eat. Have a super wonderful day.